Look, I've said this time and time again, there are no ugly people, there are careless people. And the more you stop taking care of yourself, the more and more your looks and appearance start to degrade. This is just natural. And the more and more you stop taking care of yourself, the more and more your looks and appearance start to degrade. This is like anything in life. Once you stop taking care of it, it just starts degrading over time. Today, boys, I'm going to give you 5 signs that if these signs are happening in your life, chances are you stopped caring and your appearance could take a hit for it. Let's hop into it. If you cannot remember the last time you went on Amazon or read an article or stopped by Sephora to buy a grooming product for yourself, your looks probably are hurting. See, as a man with the proper grooming routine, you need to be shopping for your cleansers, your moisturizers, your sunscreen, your razors, your fragrances. If you're not adding any of these to your daily routine or haven't added any of this in the last years, you are potentially missing out or having this massive opportunity cost loss on your appearance. The truth is that if you're not investing in yourself, your health, your body, your appearance, etc., your appearance is going to start to degrade naturally because you're not the one taking care. You're not in control of your own looks. And the truth is that if you want to look better, you need to actively make a choice to have a grooming routine. Number 2, you've never received a compliment for smelling good. My guys, you need to understand that attraction, it uses all 5 senses, and one of those senses, your olfactory sense, has nothing to do with your genetics and your appearance and everything to do with your effort. Bro, a good scent can make any dude better looking, and you could be potentially missing out on loads of compliments. Do you know how many times I've been in an elevator or at the cash register or even the waiter, anywhere, and I just get an instant, oh, you smell good, or what are you wearing? Bro, these are the easiest compliments to receive. They're immediate icebreakers, and you can start a conversation. If you've never received one of these, this is a strong sign you're not investing in how you smell. This is exactly why I created Santa Lucia, our luxury fragrance line, which has 3 strategic fragrances that serve one purpose: make you irresistible in every aspect of your life. Last time we launched our fragrances, they performed so well, almost $1 million in inventory, gone in one day, basically one day, 90% of it gone, and now it's completely sold out. But don't worry, my guys. See, I've heard your emails, I've seen your DMs. You guys want to restock, and boys, today we finally launched our restock, and I'm telling you, this is not gonna last, and it's probably gonna fly faster than last time. I don't want you boys to miss it. If you guys want to check it out, go right now, pick up your set. Cool thing is that when you buy all 3, it creates a set. It just looks aesthetic in your bathroom. It looks more luxe, and each fragrance serves a purpose. Come closer. This is your love fragrance. To conquering, this is your conquering fragrance. This is your boss scent. And every day, this is that citrusy, everyday fragrance that's fresh, you can wear every single day, and you're going to get compliments non-stop. Here's the key, boys. I didn't cut corners. See, our fragrances are parfums, which means that they are over 20% oil concentration, which other words means this is the highest level of fragrance concentration you can get. Most fragrances are eau de parfums or eau de toilette, which are lower concentration, which basically just means they use less fragrance oil and more alcohol. Well, we used more oil and less alcohol, so each spray could go further, so each spray could be more potent, and this is why it sells so fast. See, most parfums sell for $500. We don't. And here's the best part. We're going to do a giveaway. See, last time we did a giveaway for Essentials. I got a lot of people mad because they weren't Essentials customers. They didn't get to partake in the cash giveaway, so we're going to do that again. 100 orders that ordered today or have ordered yesterday if you're a pro member, only if you order in these 2 days are going to receive cash. It could be $1, $10, or $20, but one specific guy, one dude will take $5,000 cash in their order. So not only are you smelling good, but I'm going to elevate your bank account. I'm going to give you a little gift just because you guys are so amazing. Not to mention, we're also dropping our car diffuser and our home oil diffuser, which uses those 3 scents. Bro, if you're gonna want every aspect of your life to just be elevated, you already know what to do. Click that link down below and check out our launch. Number 3, you do not like what you see in the mirror. See, this is a strong sign that your confidence is probably low, and you're walking around with that low confidence, which is lowering your appearance. I promise you, you're better looking than you think. The problem is, and this is a psychological phenomenon, every human does this, when you look at yourself in the mirror, you over-focus on the flaws and downplay your benefits. So what ends up happening is that the summary of what you think of yourself ends up being more negative than positive. Truth be told, you're probably average looking or above average, but you're ruining your confidence and how you present yourself in the world because you don't like what you see. So, like I've said a million times, what I recommend every time you look in the mirror, every single morning, I want you to be your best hype man. I want you to hype yourself up. Give yourself a pep talk every single morning and just watch just how that confidence builds up and how you can take that on throughout the day. Number 4. If you've never intentionally bought clothes, see, there's two types of people in this world. You got type A. This is the type of dude that just buys clothes when he needs to. It's almost out of impulse or necessity. And then you got type B. This type of dude buys clothes intentionally. He purposely buys the specific trends, buys clothing that fits his body and his proportions. He buys clothing that suits his skin tone color. If you've never bought clothing with intention, this is a strong sign. You could be diminishing your appearance because you're not putting in that effort. You're not putting in that care into buying clothing that actually makes you look better. Bro, something as simple as a t-shirt. Just look at this difference right here. A simple t-shirt, just because it fits right, the color's good. Look at the difference it could do with your body shape, with your proportion, how much better you can look. Now imagine an entire closet that's thoughtfully curated. And finally, number 5, you're not auto-booking your haircuts. If you're not auto-booking your haircuts with your barber every 2 to 3 weeks, you're missing out. See, here's the thing. That new haircut confidence, that confidence that you feel as soon as you step out there, you know you are a problem. You should have that confidence on a roll. Like every single week, I want you with that confidence because that new haircut, it structures your face shape. It makes you look cleaner. You look better. But if you're the type of dude that's not auto-booking, what's happening? You're letting time go by. You forget. And now it's been 2 months since your last haircut and you're diminishing your appearance. And I get it. You could probably say, yo, Jose, it's too expensive. Yo, I get it. I have an entire video on how to cut your hair at home, taught by an actual barber. You just need a pair of clippers you can get for like 30, 40 bucks on Amazon, and you're good to go, making sure you get that crispy cut on point all the time so your confidence can be on high. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 5 signs that if they're happening to you, or if you realize like, yo, these apply to me, these are strong indicators you're damaging your appearance. That's it for me today. See you next time.